we are going to start the new remote access graphical user interface. So I am moving on the CentOS where I am going to install the Cockpit. So installing the Cockpit is simple command dnf and install -y and give the Cockpit this one. तो इतने सारे प्रोग्राम इंस्टॉल होंगे, देख लो डिपेंडेंसी कितनी सारी है. तो अभी इसमें what we need to do, first we need to check the what are the users are disallowed. So disallowed user information is exist in the file. The file name is, so I am going to edit this file name. The file location is etc cockpit and disallowed users. So here is the root user is disallowed, so I am going to delete this one and save the file. So now we can log in with the user. Another command is I am going to check the Cockpit is allowed or not allowed through the firewall. So you can see this is allowed. Okay. So I am going to restart this service while running the systemctl start cockpit command. Once it will be installed, then I will have to move on the graphical user interface, means another machine. On the another machine, now on the Firefox, if you remember the IP address of my another machine, and I hope all of you remember the IP address. Now IP address is 192.168.1.55 and port number 9090. So it will ask the risk, yes, advance, and then accept the risk and continue. So here I am going to log in with the root user and provide the password. This is the graphical interface. By using the graphical interface, you can manage the server. I am going to log out. Here it is, log out and create a new account. Other option, connect to, and create a new account. Here the option is accounts, where we can create the new account. New account, already the CentOS has been created. If you want to create a new account, so you can create a new account by any account name, any username you can give the Vijay Kumar and V Kumar. Either you can create any, means this is the similar, you are creating the account or adding the user, it will add the user on the target machine. Okay, so user ID, bin, bash, and the home directory it is, so you can create. Other things you can provide the, So another options is here the password. You need to create the password and confirm password. Okay, so I am creating the username with the name of the web admin. Here the name is web admin, okay, and provide the password here because password is required. And confirm password. Now click on the create. So the new account has been created, no problem. Go with the big password. Okay guys, to understand how to access the cockpit means you can create the account, you can add the install, you can check the networking, you can check the logs, okay, you can check the software updates, and also you can update the software. You can maintain the firewall as well. Inside the network there is a firewall, so you can add and edit the role, whatever. Okay, so this is all about how you can maintain everything by using the cockpit.